Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Queen Narissa from Enchanted. On Dressing Press, she is the villain. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is a lot. For the hair, grab this and the only bangs toggle, position the Y2.53. Grab this hair in the no bangs toggle in black, position the Y to 0.56 as well as the Z axis. Rotate it the same and scale it to 0.33. Grab this updo in black and grab this hair in black, no adjustments made. I did use some VIP items, but you can try opting and making it without it. Grab this top and color the first one this color, 432F3F, and the second one this color, it's probably the same, 293934. And then the rest in that purple color, except for the fifth one, color green. Go to the dressing rooms and grab this top from the Valentine's Day collection and color it purple, and then purple again, sorry, and then that green. Then you are going to go to the World Cultures area and you're going to put on the skirt in that purple in a light silk pattern. Material. And then for the for the third toggle, color green, and then the rest that color. Then I am going to use the Style Showdown dress, but if you don't have it, you can find other floor length dresses as well. I'm just going to use this color pretty much everything, really, like that, and light silk as well. Maybe I'm just going to actually leave the texture on like so. Then also go back here and grab these sleeves in the only sleeve toggle in light silk in purple. Then, oh my gosh, what else did I wear? Oh, the Style Showdown crown, and you don't need to change the color on that. Then I am going to go to VIP, grab this, color the first one this like cobweb pattern, spiderweb pattern. The second one, you are going to color it the green. And then the third and fourth, this purple color. And then the fifth, the green color again. Maybe a little bit darker though. Grab this veil here and color it the same like spiderweb pattern. Position the Y to 0. Rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 1. If you want to make it bigger, you're going to want to save it first as like an outfit, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Grab the gloves in no fur and color it this purple, but like make it a tad bit darker like this. Then you're going to want to grab an apple, color it red, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.